FC Robo defeat Edo Queens 1-0 to win Betsy Obaseki Women's Football Tournament as Delta Queens knock Nasarawa Amazons come off for road to win third position. FC Robo of Lagos don't defeat Edo Queens Football Club 1-0 to win the second edition of Betsy Obaseki Women's Football Tournament. The closing ceremony match went shell on Friday for Samuel Gbemudia Stadium can see various cultural display from various groups for inside Edo State. This tournament will be the only preseason women's football championship now brainchild of Edo State First Lady Betsy Obaseki and constant Chukwuma for drug abuse matter for the society. For our address, Betsy Obaseki can the participants or the importance of the theme of the tournament when be say no to drugs. Minister of Youth and Sports Sunday Dare and First Lady of Ekiti State Erelu BC Fayemi constant Chukwuma on the importance of this kind of tournament.
What we see here today is beautiful, is excellent. When you benchmark it, this is exactly what you get either in the UK, in Europe, whether it's in America. We see the standard, we see the stadia, we see the facilities, we see the choreography, we see the interest, we see the passion, and it's marvelous. But what's more marvelous is the power of women in sports. When I came in this evening and I saw the first ladies, numbering close to 10 here, Your Excellencies, I can't call each of your name, but I want to thank you this evening for being here, for supporting this vision. And I'm sure you go back to your states, each one of you. You're going to replicate this so that we can have our women participate in football. The power of women in sports has been brought home very clearly. 95% of the medals we won at the Commonwealth was won by women. So the women have arrived. Whether it's in football, whether it's in athletics, whether it's in wrestling, whether it's in boxing. Today, the second edition of this tournament is a validation of the fact that what a man can do, the women can do better.
We are all here to support our very dear sister and colleague, Mrs. Betsy Obaseki. We are very proud of what she has accomplished here in Edo State and by extension across the country with this Betsy Obaseki Women's Football Tournament. Sports is extremely important for developing the self-esteem and leadership skills of young women. We are very pleased that she has chosen to champion this field, and we are pleased that it is linked every year to a theme for social change. This year, the message is "Say No to Drugs." As governors wise, we have a number of flagship programs. Sexual and gender-based violence is one of them. Drug abuse, fighting against drug abuse is another. And so we are all here in Edo State to support this effort and to lend our voices to the message that we should all say no to drugs.
The final match between FC Robo and Edo Queens come with plenty excitement and suspense, but FC Robo come win the match 1-0 sake of Oladiti Rukaya 24th minute goal.
Goal number 1.
For the third place match, Delta Queens defeat Nasarawa Amazons 4-2 for penalties. The first place team go house with 5 million naira, second place team walk out with 3 million, third place team 1.5 million, while fourth place team carry 750,000 go house. Other participating teams constantly go house with 500,000 naira each. The ogbonge people wey tanda for this tournament na Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honourable Marcus Onobun, Minister of Sports Sunday Dare, First Lady of Edo State Betsy Obaseki, and other First Ladies for inside Nigeria. Omo Alukia Jakaye, TMC TV News. No forget say your PVC na be your power. No tell am give any politician on election day.